more than ever back up in this. Guys, I'm just out on a Saturday night, enjoying this beautiful weather. I got my wife with me. Yeah, we're gonna go to this little parade they have downtown. It's a little surprise parade for you guys. It's not for me, but we just gonna attend to it. So y'all please don't get it twisted and don't judge me. Man, they got like a little traffic jam right here, bro. Yeah, oh no, they gotta wait. Yeah, sister, you gotta wait. Let the OG, triple OGs come through. Right now, guys, we're on 6th Street. As you guys can see, they got the streets blocked. They got a bunch of nice, fine art right here, too.
I like your art, it's nice.
Man, good work, bro.
Yep.
Oh boy, just chilling. Right now, we in the don't ask, don't tell zone. You guys be careful what y'all looking at on this video. This video gonna be a little bit different. A little bit different.
Ooh, it feels good right here.
Yeah, sure do. A nice little bar. We got the cheer spot. What's up, bro? Damn, I gotta tie my short. This shit keep coming down. It's gonna be lit tonight. I ain't about to be down here though. Yeah, bro, maybe next time. What's up, bro?
Like some free tickets to a comedy show at Mackie Mason?
Nah, I'm good. Maybe next time. All right, too. Got a little restaurant up there. Yeah, people just hanging out, man. Enjoying this beautiful weather. Even though it's hot as hell, a little bit, not that much. Oh, that's the comedy thing right there you're talking about. Yeah, like they got a lot of people in there too. We got more pizza. Pizza looking good. Oh, bro. Maybe later. Ah, it's lit up in here. All right, maybe next time I'll be back. They're kind of lit up in here. What's up, bro? All right, maybe next time. I don't really drink though.
Hey, we got water and good music.
Maybe later on tonight.
Yeah, we going out early walk.
Yeah, we like on a little mission right now.
Where y'all from? Down here? Y'all from Texas?
Yeah, I'm originally from Texas, North Texas,
North Texas?
Wichita Falls.
Oh, Wichita. Okay.
Yeah.
So I got some people down there in Wichita.
Oh yeah, what's their last name?
Armadillos.
Oh my God.
They mix with the Mexican today.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think I know them.
Yeah. So I'm really quite.
You said I got that little thing like people, they let people park down here now? I'm up before the sunrise. Thirsty hit the block.
Don't miss out on great comedy, guys. Sunset Strip at 7.
Thank you.
Texas Comedy Showcase.
again.
Yeah, I see it again, kind of popular. No, look at that bike. We don't miss it. Hey guys, you ever come to Austin, Texas? We got the Voodoo donuts. This is what they got. I never ate here before, but I heard about it. Heard they got some pretty good food. Yeah, do a little quick stop. She went there to use the restroom. Then we're gonna continue our journey. We got like a few more blocks to hit. Actually, we out until like 8 o'clock. We're gonna go to this little parade. No public restroom, huh?
No, y'all have a couple of them, but you should go up there and look at their donuts.
Yeah, I asked if you bought some, like,
No, not even.
they ain't got none. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna find one down here.
She said that Driscoll Hotel right here, but go up there and you see
Look at the donuts?
Yeah, come look at that.
I'm gonna give y'all a picture of the view of these donuts they got. Oh shit. Dropping my shit. I'm gonna walk around here and look.
Look at that one right there. That old dirty bastard.
Oh, 30 bastard. Yeah, that thing look good.
The dirt. Grayson will like that one
Yeah,
too.
that's too much sweet for me though. All of these are good. They got the Old Captain Crunch. Well, not Old Captain Crunch, but Old Captain, my Captain. Gold Tartar. They're different nice donuts. This right here, the buttermilk bar, that's something that I like.
Maple Blazer Blunt.
What you think about that? That's different. Maybe I would tell you sit right here, but some might come up out of there. Some might come out there and get you, snatch you up. You know I ain't going up under here. Yeah, that's that thing with the balloon. That thing called it. She talking about she thirsty, so we're gonna walk in 7-Eleven and get her a bottle of water. You going?
You could go get me a drink and record.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get you one. All right, come on, let's go.
Tell me what happened.
No, you going in there with me, ain't you?
Yeah.
All right. Dang, that girl just got through drinking. She's still talking about she thirsty.
Hey guys.
How you doing, bro? Okay. I know this shit gonna be expensive in here. See if they got that OD. They ain't got my OD. What type of water are you looking for? Shit, they got the 1 liters right there. They got the smart water.
Yeah, we probably just get a
That's 2 for 3, but I don't think I want none because I'm still full from last time. Well, they 2 for 3, so you can go ahead and get 2 of them. Or 2 for 4 something. They ain't got the OD, huh? Yeah, I think it's get 2 of them. They ain't got that OD. So if they got my Cheetos though. Hold up. So if they got my Cheetos though. They ain't got my Cheetos. They got my Cheetos. Shit. Here you go. I thought somebody got me. Oh, you got the zipper right there.
Yeah, I'm
I
right
didn't
here.
know. You gonna put it in your zipper? Yeah. Oh, I got
We
this.
didn't need a bag, right?
No, we don't need no bag.
We going right here. Just like it.
Sorry about that, bro. Come on, women.
I gotta zip it up.
We got the smart water.
I got seats right here.
Where?
Right here.
Yeah, but we ain't about trying to sit right there. Shoot, I'm trying to be up in the mix. Be up in the mix. 10 turn to 20, 10, 20, come from plenty.
Bring it in for 30 seconds. We need y'all's help over here today.
Yeah, y'all, they about to be out tonight. They about to be out tonight. Tonight is the night. Shit, what type of parade we going to? You guys see that flag? You guys see that flag? That's what type of parade this is. Now, please do not get it twisted. I do not go that way. We just out, me and my wife, we just enjoying the scenery and, you know what I'm saying, chilling out with the peoples and stuff. We support everybody. One love, one nation. Ain't that right, baby? Look. That is not a man. That is not a man. We do not do that. That is not a man. Give me a kiss, baby. See? We just here, just chilling, man, just enjoying the entertainment and downtown, you know. That's all. Why we can't be out? We on 6th Street in Congress. I don't know if you guys can see the Capitol. See if I get this good view. I think that's like a restaurant and they have like live music. You guys can see on the door. And I think they have a bunch of cocktail lounge. That's what it is. Yeah. I just got my car, bro. About it. I'm scared that dude about to say he gotta. Do you do cash? Let's say what?
They don't upgrade from cups.
They did. That was a big ass bucket. Yeah. I'm about to tell them. Oh. That's a full man right there, guys, in that dress. Guess ain't nothing wrong with it. That's what you want. You guys hear them drums? I think that's one dude tearing that shit up. I would walk over there, but they closing these gates off. Then I gotta walk all the way around to the other light. That shit too far to walk.
I'm glad we didn't go on the other side.
But he turned them drums up though. You hear that?
I'm glad we didn't walk on that side though.
Yeah.
We stayed over here.
I was gonna walk over there. Damn, this shit zoomed in. I was gonna walk over there and tip that dude because I'm telling you, he got them old going. He turned that shit up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's one dude doing all that.